Looking for the positive value of x that makes this equation true. You don't have to do it this way, but I'm going to suggest what works best for me is that for my very first step, I'm going to rewrite the exponent as 1 over and make that exponent positive on the right hand side. This just works better for my brain because then I have one less thing to process. Now that I have it written this way, I'm going to take the cubed root of each side. It's important that I take the cube root so that I get back to x on the left hand side. And while I'm using the cube root, it's critical that I write the 3 in the root sign so that remember that it's cubed. Otherwise, you're taking the square root, and that's not going to fix what we need to fix. So on the left-hand side, now I have x. That's what I was hoping for. And on the right-hand side, I need to do some thinking. So the cube root of 1 will just be 1, because technically 1 is 1 times 1 times 1. And we're hoping that there's a number that can multiply by itself and by itself again that will give me 361. And in fact there is. It's 19. So now that I see that, I'm able to say, okay, I'm going to take the cube root of this, and since the cube root of 1 is 1, and the cube root of 361 is 19, it gives me x equal to 1 over 19. If you want, you can also rewrite this with a negative exponent and say that x is equal to 19 to the negative first power.